So like on this one, when they want us to complete the square, well, the idea to end up solving it is that we are completing the square. We do something similar to what we did just now. Okay, we are looking at something like x plus b squared is going to be x squared plus 2bx plus b squared. And so what I have is part of my function. So I have part of my square. I have 8x plus something else plus my something else. So I need a new constant in order to make this thing look like a perfect square. And the idea is, well, what's that new constant going to be? Well, I do the same thing as before. I say that 8 is going to be 2b, so that divide both sides by 2. B is going to be 4, and so my new constant is going to be b squared. So it's going to be 16. And so I take my function, okay, so let's get some room over here, so that I take my function, and now I add on that new constant, but I add on that new constant to both sides. So plus 16 is 48 plus 16. So that this left-hand side now is a perfect square, and it will factor as x plus 4 squared. And so over on the right, I get 64. Now, what this gives me is something that I can use my square root property. And so since I have just something squared is equal to 64, so this tells me that I'm going to have two solutions. One of them where x plus 4 is equal to the square root of 64, and the other one where x plus 4 is equal to negative the square root of 64. So on one of them, I have x plus 4 is going to be 8, so x is going to be 8 minus 4, so x is going to be 4. For the other one, x plus 4 is equal to negative 8, and so for that one, I get another solution, x is going to be negative 12. And so I can use completing the square to transform the equation into something where I can use the square root property to then find the solutions to the equation.